I often ask myself why beginners think tech is just about tutorials and typing code. It's because everyone has forgotten the most important stage. The stage where everything turns blue-black. The stage that stops 99% of people from moving forward. Most people call it failure. I call it the confusion phase, and if you're in it right now, congratulations. Your real learning has finally begun. At first, everything feels cool. New tools, new concepts, new possibilities. Then, things stop making sense. You follow the tutorials, but nothing clicks. You try to build a project, and you're hit with a wall of errors you don't understand. And worst of all, nobody warned you this stage existed. But here is the truth. The confusion phase isn't a bug in your learning. It's your brain literally restructuring itself to handle a higher level of logic. Think of it like a child growing their first teeth. It often comes with a fever. It's uncomfortable for the parent and painful for the child. But you don't stop the process because you know it's necessary for them to grow. In tech, your mind is stretching. You're moving from copying steps to understanding systems. That pressure you feel? That's your mental system renewing itself to accept advanced thinking patterns. To survive this, you have to stop rushing. Break the monster into pieces. Solve one tiny error, not the whole app. Experiment slowly. Small changes teach you more than 1,000 copied lines of code. Reflect. After every session, ask yourself, what do I actually understand now? Confusion is temporary, but the growth it provides is permanent. Feeling confused doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're exactly where real learning happens. The people who persist through the blue-black stage are the ones who eventually become engineers. If you want more guidance on navigating this stage calmly, stick around. This channel is built to guide you step by step.